Hi, my name is Maz Bills. I'm the course director for Beauty Therapy Level 2 here at the Wisbech campus at CWA. We do have Level 1, 2 and 3. Our Level 2 beauty course includes theory and practical elements such as health and safety, client care, reception duties, facials, manicure and pedicures, eye treatments, waxing, spray tanning and creating an image based on a theme. Throughout the course, you'll be assessed through online exams and practical observations by your tutor. You'll also get to work on real clients in a professional salon environment, helping you to build confidence and develop the skills you need. You'll also need to complete 60 hours of work experience alongside your course, gaining an insight to what working in industry is really like. We have fantastic hair and beauty salons with teaching staff who have worked in the industry to bring real life experience, up-to-date knowledge and have an understanding of what employers are looking for. I believe learners will enjoy learning new skills in an area they have a passion for, meeting new people in a friendly professional salon-based environment. After completing your Level 2 qualification, you can progress on to Level 3, which focuses on advanced treatments such as facial and body electricals and a variety of massage techniques. A career in beauty can take you anywhere from working in salons, spas, travelling on cruise liners, teaching or being self-employed.